Alright, this will be video number 2, I guess. I keep hitting these buttons. Anyway, what I did is this ring is for that fish house hole cover. I don't know if you can see this all. Then what I did is I put it up here so it misses everything. And then I took a black bench marker and I traced the inside of it, and then I pulled this away. So I got a mark. So what I'll do now is I will take the drill and drill 4 holes halfway on the line, and then that'll be my mark. Oh, what's that stuff made out of? Oak. Okay. Drill another one here. Another one here. And we'll go one right here. All right. Okay. So anyway, now we drill a hole there, and a hole there, and a hole here, and a hole here. Now we can go up to the top. Now, put you on pause here for a minute.